So welcome to all of you on the Grammar Day, and today we are going to discuss the parts of speech. You all know the parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech. बोलो क्या क्या है? What are
Noun, pronoun, adjective,
Noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, conjunction,
Interjection.
preposition.
just a moment? I'm not able to see anyone.
noun, verb, pronoun, adjective, adverb, conjunction.
Guys, okay.
I don't know what is the parts of speech.
मैं चाहती हूँ आप समझो इसको क्या होता है. थोड़ा सा मेरा सिस्टम हैंग हो गया था. ओके, द पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच. पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच होते हैं हमारे नाउन, प्रोनाउंस, एडजेक्टिव्स, वर्ब्स, कंजंक्शंस, इंटरजेक्शंस. समटाइम्स वी टेक द आर्टिकल्स एंड प्रेपोजिशंस. These are all the parts of speech. अब क्वेश्चन आता है कि why we need the parts of speech? Why we need the part of speech? हमें क्यों जरूरत पड़ती है part of speech की? Why we should have
for the different kind of action to show the different kind of action at the different at the different situation to give us
It helps to understand how words function.
to understand
How words function in a sentence and how they relate to each other.
Yes, so basically, if we want to frame the sentences in a more meaningful way, in a more better way, we should have the good knowledge of the parts of speech, because every part of speech holds one position. Every part of speech has its own significance. So अगर आपको parts of speech का एक अच्छा knowledge है, so you can make the beautiful sentences. Right? You can be an effective speaker if you have the good knowledge of the parts of speech. एक सिंपल सा सेंटेंस है, जैसे हमने पहले भी करा था. सपोज द कैट रन्स इन द गार्डन. सिंपल सेंटेंस है. द कैट रन्स इन गार्डन. आपने क्या करा? एक स्ट्रक्चर को फॉलो करा. सब्जेक्ट लगा दिया, वर्ब लगा दिया, ऑब्जेक्ट लगा दिया. लेकिन इसी के साथ अगर आप पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच लगाओ तो इसी सेंटेंस को हम कैसे और मीनिंगफुल तरीके के साथ लिख सकते हैं. दैट इज द रोल ऑफ द पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच. ठीक है. सो दैट यू शुड नो कि कैसे हम पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच को यूज करते हैं. सो फर्स्ट आता है हमारा नाउन. नाउन हम सबको पता है. नाउन क्या है? हमने बचपन में भी पढ़ा है. नेम, प्लेस, एनिमल, थिंग. और एक और चीज हम ऐड कर देते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड द आइडियाज. आइडियाज. ठीक है. जो भी आइडियाज हमारे माइंड में आते हैं, दैट आर ऑल द नाउन्स. दैट आर ऑल द नाउन्स. I have seen the Taj Mahal. I have seen the Taj Mahal. Is there any noun in this sentence?
Taj Mahal.
Taj Mahal.
Taj Mahal.
Taj Mahal is a noun.
Name of the place. I go to school. Is there any noun?
school.
Yes, school. School is the noun.
School.
I have a book. I have a book. Is there any noun?
Book is the noun.
Book. Himani is listening. Himani is listening.
Himani is the noun.
Himani, because it is a name of a person. So these are all the nouns. These are all the nouns. ठीक है. We can say honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy. Is there any noun?
Honesty.
It is an idea. It is an idea. It is an idea. We always speak truth. We always speak truth. Noun?
Truth.
Yes, truth is a noun. This is a noun. It is an idea. Okay, so this is a noun. अब क्वेश्चन कहाँ आता है? The guys where you are getting so much confusion, especially in the vocab sessions. आपको vocab sessions में हम बोल देते हैं, no, you have to use it as a noun. You have to use it as a verb. उस टाइम पे हम कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं कि यार कैसे नाउन की तरह यूज करना है, कैसे वर्ब की तरह. So in that case, you must know how to identify the nouns in a sentence. So सबसे पहला trick number 1 क्या है? If you find the words that are the names of the person, place, animal, thing, that is called the noun. ये सबको पता है. Very simple definition. Identify the name, place, animal, thing, that is a noun. This is trick number 1. Like for example, there are some examples I have written. She bought a pair of shoes. What is a noun? Shoes. ठीक है. यहाँ पर कलेक्टिव नाउन बना दिया पेयर करके, बट स्टिल इट इज अ नाउन. आई हैव अ पेट. पेट एनिमल है. Is this your book?
Book.
Book. Object है. Many people have a fear of darkness.
Fear and darkness.
Fear darkness.
Fear and darkness. Fear and darkness. Fear एक idea है और darkness जो है वो हमारा abstract noun है. Abstract noun मतलब होता है जो hidden होता है. This is just form of feelings, emotions से जो related होता है. He is my brother. Brother is a person. So again, it is a noun. This is my school. School is the name of a place. So again, it is a noun.
No.
Simple.
No.
Now, this is trick number 2. How to identify the nouns. देखो guys, if the word is followed by any article, articles होते हैं हमारे a and the. अगर किसी भी word से पहले articles लगे होंगे a and the, so then it is certainly a noun. It is certainly a noun. वो noun कहलाते हैं. Like for example, he saw a tiger at the zoo. तो यहाँ पर नाउन क्या हुआ? टाइगर.
Tiger.
टाइगर क्यों? क्योंकि टाइगर से पहले क्या लगा हुआ है? आर्टिकल लगा हुआ है.
Article.
और is there any noun in this sentence?
Zoo.
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 Why
Zoo also noun.
पहले भी आर्टिकल लगा?
Before the is placed.
But although you can also say because tiger is the name of an animal, so it is a noun. What is the another way to check? Because the article is coming. They bought a computer. Computer is a noun. Computer is a noun. Okay? Because computer से पहले एक article लगा हुआ है और you can also say computer is a thing.
No.
Thing. Write down one sentence. They have a great fear. They have a great fear.
Ma'am,
What is
no,
the
great, great. According to this rule,
Great.
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 Great and fear.
great?
Great.
ठीक है? Absolutely right. But my dear students, great is not a noun.
No.
ठीक है? अब write down this. Please note down this thing. Article के बाद, if the article, 2 words are coming. After the articles, 2 words are coming. First word would be your adjective. Second word would be your noun. Again, I repeat. If the 2 words are coming after the article, the first word would be the adjective and the second word would be the noun. I have a great fear. इसके अंदर noun क्या है?
Fear.
Fear noun.
Fear.
Fear noun है. Great क्या है?
Adjective. Adjective.
ठीक है, ध्यान रखना इस चीज को. Write down one more thing, very important. If there are the 3 words, if there are the 3 words after the article, if there are the 3 words after the article, the first word would be adverb. Adverb. Second word would be adjective. Third word would be
Noun.
Pardon, please, ma'am.
if there are the 3 words after the articles. 3 words अगर articles के बाद आते हैं तो फर्स्ट वर्ड जो होगा आर्टिकल के जस्ट बाद वाला वर्ड वो आपका एडवर्ब कहलाएगा. सेकंड वर्ड आपका एडजेक्टिव कहलाएगा. थर्ड वर्ड आपका नाउन कहलाएगा. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल लिखो. He has a bag. He has a bag. B-A-G, bag. Write down next sentence.
He has a bag.
Bag, B-A-G, bag. Bag, school bag. Write down next sentence. He has a heavy bag. He has a heavy bag. Write down next sentence. He has a very heavy bag. He has a very heavy bag. चलो जी बताओ. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में संपी, व्हाट इज अ नाउन?
Bag, ma'am.
Bag,
First
right?
sentence, and
नाउन के
then
बाद आ गया. नाउन के
second
बाद.
one, and second one is heavy adjective and bag noun, and third sentence very adverb, heavy adjective and bag noun.
Bag. क्लियर हुआ यहाँ पर? क्लियर हुआ?
Yeah.
Very good.
This is Priyamda. Okay. चलो अगर ये ही यहाँ पर है, अगर प्रियमदा से भी मैं पूछूं, सो प्रियमदा अगर सेंटेंस होता दिस इज टू हैवी बैग, दिस इज अ टू हैवी बैग,
Very bad.
then what is two? TOO2. Adverb.
Then adjective.
Then adjective. Then noun.
That is noun.
Then noun. ठीक है, तो ध्यान रखना जो आर्टिकल्स आते हैं वो सिर्फ किसके साथ आते हैं? वो हमेशा आते हैं नाउन्स के साथ। लेकिन हम सोचते हैं आर्टिकल्स किसके साथ आते हैं? एडजेक्टिव्स के साथ। जैसे अभी एक सेंटेंस मैंने बोला था, he has a great fear, यहाँ पर जो जो आया है वो ग्रेट के साथ नहीं आया, वो फियर के साथ आया। लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर आर्टिकल्स हमारे एडजेक्टिव्स के साथ आते तो हम ऐसे बोलते हैं ही इज अ गुड, बोलते हैं, डू वी स्पीक इन दिस वे, ही इज अ गुड? नो, या तो हम बोलते हैं ही इज गुड, या तो हम सिंपल बोलते हैं ही इज गुड, या अगर हमारे को अ यूज करना है तो आफ्टर एडजेक्टिव वी हैव टू पुट वन, क्या लगाना?
Noun.
Very good.
Adverb.
तो हम क्या बोलेंगे? ही इज अ गुड बॉय, ही इज अ गुड बॉय। तो यहाँ पर
Good
जो
boy.
अ आया है बॉय के साथ आया है, गुड के साथ नहीं आया।
We can make sentence. He is a very good boy. Here, adverb.
हाँ, then very is an adverb, good is an adjective, boy is a noun. So this is clear. आर्टिकल्स
Yes,
के
ma'am.
बाद अगर आता है, जस्ट आर्टिकल्स के बाद हमारा जो आता है, अगर सिर्फ एक वर्ड है आर्टिकल्स के बाद तो वो हमारा नाउन।
Ma'am, जो what you tell that number is adjective or adverb? Two is adverb or adjective?
First word is adverb, second word is adjective, third word is noun. आर्टिकल के
Ma'am,
जस्ट बाद, आर्टिकल के जस्ट बाद अगर कोई सपोज करो आर्टिकल के जस्ट बाद 3 वर्ड्स आ रहे हैं, तो फर्स्ट वर्ड एडवर्ब है, सेकंड वर्ड एडजेक्टिव है, थर्ड वर्ड नाउन।
Ma'am, number word is define adjective or adverb?
नंबर वर्ड
मतलब two जो
मैं
आपने
ये
बोला ना two
नंबर टी डबल ओ है, टी डब्ल्यू नहीं है,
जो है
टी डबल ओ।
एडवर्ब है, वो नंबर नहीं है। TOO2 होता है, वो नंबर होता है। TOO जो है वो एडवर्ब है।
two, अच्छा अच्छा।
अगर 2 होता ना संपी TOO
हाँ,
तो वो एडजेक्टिव बन जाता।
हाँ हाँ।
Okay, this is the trick number 3rd. How to identify the nouns in a sentence. Guys, you have to learn all these suffix. Although there are many suffix, but I have written the common suffix. You must know these suffix. If the word ends with ITY, TY, NESS, HOOD, IST, MENT, ATION, AGE, ER, वो सारे क्या होते हैं? हमारे nouns होते हैं।
Noun.
He is a doctor. He's a doctor. He's a teacher. He's a teacher. Teacher क्या? What is a noun?
Teacher.
Teacher. Ends with ER. Ends with ER. I love my motherhood. I love my motherhood.
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 Motherhood. I love to do this activity. I love to do this activity.
Activity.
Activity. क्यों? क्योंकि उससे एंड हो रहा है, तो ये आपको थोड़ा सा याद होना चाहिए। So I have made this chart. एक बार go through कर लेना। Activity, liberty, reality, happiness, kindness, brightness, childhood, brotherhood, livelihood. So I have made some. ठीक है? So I'm just giving you some inputs, guys. It's totally up to you. इसको कितना आप elaborate करते हो?
Liberty, reality, happiness, kindness, brightness, childhood,
My
brotherhood.
profession is teaching. My profession is teaching. What is the noun in this sentence?
Teaching.
Why teaching?
And profession is
Profession.
Profession is a noun. Profession is a noun.
Profession.
Profession. SION से end हो रहा है. Profession is a noun. Teaching is not a noun.
Ma'am, if I say finalist, then it would be a noun, finalist.
Sorry?
Finalist would be a noun if I say finalist.
Sentence बनाओ.
These are the finalists of this round.
These are the finalists.
Of this round. All
IST,
the
IST
This
से
is
end
the
हो
last
रहा है.
one person.
IST से end हो रहा है. So it becomes a noun. It becomes a noun.
okay.
I go to dentist. I go to dentist. Dentist is a noun. ठीक है. So now next आता है आपका identification of a noun. Identification of a noun. Again, this is a trick number 4. Who, whom, what. Who, whom, what. Suppose को आपको कोई ट्रिक काम नहीं कर रहा, आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा, so then you can apply this trick also. Who, whom, what. Who, whom, what. Like for example, Biswajita Shakespeare was a dramatist. Is there any noun in this sentence?
Shakespeare. Who?
Who was a dramatist? You get the answer Shakespeare.
Shakespeare.
Only Shakespeare is a noun.
Dramatist.
Dramastic
Dramatist is
also,
also
ma'am.
a noun because it ends with IST. It ends with IST. Sabita, Harry broke the window. What is a noun?
Harry.
Harry and window.
Harry and window. Who broke the window? You will get the answer Harry. और
Harry.
window से पहले एक आर्टिकल लगा हुआ है the. तो इसलिए
The.
क्या बन जाएगा? Noun.
Window.
Dheeraj, Ram invited his friends yesterday.
Ram and friends.
Ram
Only Ram?
Friends.
and his
His.
No, his only friends.
His invited.
Friends. Invited कौन बोला भाई?
Invited verb है मैम.
Invited is a verb. Ram is a noun. Friends is a noun. And what is yesterday?
Yesterday is,
When is also yesterday is a noun, I think. So when you say when.
noun is, maybe noun also.
According.
Anuradha, when नहीं होता.
What?
Okay, ma'am, I missed that. I was asking to you, I missed that slide.
Who, whom, what? Who, whom, what? So yesterday क्या है? Reena, what is yesterday? This is not a noun. ठीक है, अभी हम later on discuss करेंगे कि what is yesterday. What is yesterday? ठीक है, यहाँ तक clear? Okay. Now, this is the next. Nouns are used with articles, adjectives, and prepositions. And prepositions. Noun से पहले articles लगा हो सकता है, noun से पहले adjectives लगे हो सकते हैं, और noun से पहले prepositions लगे होते हैं. Sushil, can you tell me what is a noun in number first? Sushil, any internet problem from your end?
Children, ma'am, children.
Only children?
Nest. Egg.
Okay. Himani.
Children, ma'am, egg and nest.
Very good. Children, egg, and nest. Sushil, there are the three nouns in this sentence. Children, egg, and nest. An article लग गया. So it is a noun. In the nest. In अगर suppose करो the भी नहीं होता. अगर simple sentence होता the children found an egg in nest. तो in क्या हो गया? What is in? In is a
Preposition.
So preposition के बाद क्या आता है? Noun. ठीक है? Yes. Sameer, number B.
Ganga and
Ganga sacred river.
कितने सारे noun?
Yes, ma'am. Ganga is a noun. Sacred.
No, ma'am. Ganga
Article
and
से
river
river.
is a noun.
Sameer.
Ganga.
आर्टिकल के बाद टू वर्ड्स आ रहे हैं, आफ्टर आर्टिकल द टू
या
वर्ड्स।
सॉरी गंगा एंड रिवर मैम, गंगा एंड रिवर
गंगा और river,
adjective.
गंगा और
एंड
river।
सेक्रेट एडजेक्टिव
हाँ,
Correct.
second becomes an
adjective.
adjective, क्योंकि आर्टिकल के बाद
Adjective,
फर्स्ट
correct.
वर्ड वुड बी एडजेक्टिव, सेकंड वर्ड वुड बी
या
नाउन. Okay, Biswajit, Priyamda, Ram is an honor to the profession.
Ram is noun,
हाँ,
profession is noun, and owner is also noun.
but you are not sure.
Owner, about the owner, I'm not 100%
Honor
sure.
से पहले क्या लगा हुआ है? आर्टिकल लगा हुआ है?
And article is
Yes,
laga hua.
article is there, so it is a noun. So it is a noun. So Ram is a noun, honor is a noun, profession is a noun. Anil, number D.
Ma'am, honor is not an adjective.
नहीं, कैसे होगा ना? सब भी देखो, ऑनर से पहले एक आर्टिकल लग गया ना, आर्टिकल लग गया ना.
In the
Yes, ma'am.
Hindi,
Here
ma'am.
I was also confused about the owner is adjective or noun.
नहीं, ऑनर जो है वो हमारा नाउन है, क्योंकि एक आर्टिकल लग गया भाई इससे पहले.
Okay.
Madam, this sentence, he played a great role in our success. Noun is a role and success.
Very
Both are
nice,
noun.
very
Noun.
nice, very nice. Role is a noun. Very nice, Anil. Role is a noun. क्योंकि आर्टिकल के बाद टू वर्ड्स आर कमिंग, ग्रेट एंड रोल, बट फर्स्ट वर्ड क्या हो गया? एडजेक्टिव हो गया. रोल इज अ नाउन. और सक्सेस क्यों हुआ अनिल? सक्सेस इज अ नाउन.
There is in is a preposition, so success will be noun.
हाँ, एक प्रपोजिशन भी कह सकते हैं, और यू कैन ऑल्सो से एडजेक्टिव. यहाँ पर जो हर है, दैट
Yeah.
इज कंसीडर एज अ पॉजिटिव एडजेक्टिव.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Biswajita, he has a beautiful house.
House.
House, very good. House. अगर सपोज करो सेंटेंस होता, रीना, he has a very beautiful house.
Yes, ma'am. Very would be adverb, beautiful adjective, and house would be noun.
House is a noun. House is a noun. ठीक है, यहाँ तक क्लियर? Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Clear.
चलो भाई, और आ गया सेंटेंस. बनाओ, जिसने अभी तक नहीं ट्राई करा है. अनुराधा, the boy switched off the fan. What is the noun?
Boy. Fans.
Why fans?
Because the adjective, the
Because?
followed by the adjective.
कौन
Oh,
सा?
sorry, articles.
अगर सपोज करो the boy switch off fans, then
The boy switch off fans. Then the boy only.
the boy only.
Ma'am, I was just focusing on the circle one of why you circled it, though I was thinking about of.
तो सर्कल इसलिए करा है माय डियर अनुराधा, क्योंकि यहाँ पर ऑफ बच्चे, यहाँ पर वो है, प्रपोजिशन है.
Preposition.
अब प्रपोजिशन के बाद क्या आता है?
Noun. Article.
नहीं, प्रपोजिशन के बाद नाउन आता है. नाउन इज कमिंग आफ्टर प्रपोजिशन. तो यहाँ पर OFF ऑफ क्या है? प्रपोजिशन है. तो आर्टिकल लगा हो ना लगा हो, बट अगर आपका प्रपोजिशन लगा हुआ है तो आफ्टर दैट इट इज अ नाउन. Sampi, he returned after a month.
Ma'am, month.
Very good.
Office. Ma'am, office noun.
Sorry?
Ma'am, office noun.
OFF. ऑफ नहीं है नाउन हिमानी.
Preposition
ऑफ
है.
यहाँ पर प्रपोजिशन है.
Preposition.
प्रपोजिशन के बाद अगर कुछ भी वर्ड आता है, वो भी आपका नाउन कहलाता है. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर ऑफ प्रपोजिशन है, तो फैन यहाँ पर नाउन हुआ.
Noun.
ऐसी आफ्टर के बाद, आफ्टर इज अ प्रपोजिशन, आफ्टर के बाद क्या आ रहा है? मंथ. मंथ यहाँ पर नाउन हुआ. मंथ इज अ नाउन. He is fond of music. He is fond of music.
Music. Music is a noun.
Music is a noun. Why?
Of preposition.
Of.
Preposition.
That is a preposition.
Dheeraj, the book is on the desk.
Book and desk.
Book and desk. Book and desk. Book and desk.
Preposition. Preposition.
It is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, please.
चलो
Yes, ma'am.
करते हैं. So एक बार recapitulate करो. What are the tricks? What are the tricks? How to keep remember की what are the tricks? How to identify the noun one by one? Himani, any one trick which you remember, dear?
Ma'am, if we add before noun, just like good boy, so good is a क्या बोलूं? Good is our how to explain? Ma'am, three चीज है ma'am. Adjective.
पूछा ही
Good
नहीं
is our adjective.
मैंने नहीं पूछा एडजेक्टिव. मैंने तो पूछा है नाउन को कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं. बस मुझे ये
A noun is the name of place, animal, or thing, or ideas.
चलो ठीक है. ओके मान लिया. Biswajita, any trick which you learned?
After article,
After
noun
articles.
from.
Very good. After articles, nouns are coming. Sampi, any one trick from your end?
Yes, ma'am. If three after the articles, then first one is adverb, second one is adjective, and third one is noun.
Very good. Very good. बादाम अच्छे खा लिए हैं संपी ने.
Thank you, ma'am.
Priyamda, any one trick which you learned?
Ma'am, if there is any kind of preposition is added there, so
So then
next-
it is a considered as a
next,
noun.
noun.
Very nice. Very nice. Reena, any trick from your end?
Ma'am, if you'll find suffixes like ity and
Yes. So you need to learn the suffix. Anuradha, any
Noun
last
suffix has tly, er, ends with ne, double s, shun. These kind of words becomes noun.
the last trick is who, what, whom. Who, what,
Yeah.
whom.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, so these are the
what?
tricks. ठीक है, so these are the tricks. By using these tricks, कोई भी trick किसी में भी apply कर दो, you will get the noun. You will get the noun. You should have a walk daily. You should have a walk daily.
Walk. Daily.
Walk is a
Daily.
noun. Walk is a noun. Walk is a noun.
Yeah, yes.
article before walk.
Write down one sentence. I saw a dream yesterday. I saw a dream yesterday.
Dream.
Dream is a noun.
Write down second sentence. I dreamed yesterday. I dreamed yesterday.
I dreamed
Yes.
yesterday.
Who to I.
No, I is a pronoun.
Write down.
Dream.
Yes. हाँ, अभी एक फिर sentence आ रहे हैं, एक बार लिखो पहले. I played the theater. I played the theater.
I
Play. P-L-A-Y. I play the theater.
Sorry, ma'am. I
play. P-L-A-Y. Play. खेला, मैंने खेला.
play cricket.
theater.
Okay. ठीक है, I forgot the name. Okay. The three sentences. What was the first sentence?
I saw a dream.
I saw a dream yesterday. What is a noun in this sentence?
Dream.
Why?
Yesterday is also noun.
Before
Yesterday
article.
is not a noun. Yesterday is not a noun. Only dream is a noun because article is coming.
Yes.
ठीक है. What was the second sentence?
I dreamed
I dreamed yesterday. What is a noun?
Dream. You told whole third one who, what, when, who.
I don't think it is a noun.
Which one?
I should be
Friend.
noun
Verb over here.
according to the rule who, whom, what. So I got the answer.
No, there is no noun in this sentence. I is a pronoun, dreamed is a verb, and yesterday is an adverb. So there
Yes,
is
ma'am. But ma'am, as you told the rule number third, which when you get the answer who, whom, what. So in that answer who, then I.
हाँ, but I जो है ना, that is not a noun because it the noun का क्या है? Name person, name of a person होना चाहिए ना. But यहाँ पर I आया हो तो it becomes a pronoun. अब हम pronoun ही discuss कर रहे हैं. ठीक है? अब now we are going to discuss the pronouns. देखो प्रोनाउंस होते हैं हमारे, देयर आर सो मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ प्रोनाउंस, सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउंस, ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउंस, पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव्स को हम प्रोनाउंस में ही ले लेते हैं, एंड पोजेसिव प्रोनाउंस एंड द रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउंस, दीज आर ऑल द टाइप्स ऑफ प्रोनाउंस। सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउंस आपको पता होना चाहिए, ऐसे प्रोनाउंस जो सब्जेक्ट की जगह यूज होते हैं, द प्रोनाउंस विच वी कैन यूज इन द प्लेस ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट, दैट आर कॉल्ड द सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउंस. Like for example, I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. These are all the subject pronouns. What are the object pronouns which we can use in the place of an object? Which we use in the place of an object. जैसे I का object pronoun, that you should know guys. I का object pronoun क्या बन जाना चाहिए था? Me. I
Me.
का me, you का you, he का him, she का her, it का it, we का us, you का you, and they का them. They का them. सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन, जब भी आपका प्रोनाउन जो है सब्जेक्ट की जगह आ रहा है, सब्जेक्ट का क्या मतलब समझते हो? व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय द टर्म सब्जेक्ट?
When you start subject,
A doer. Who is a doer?
Yes.
जो उस काम को करता है, that is the subject. That is the subject. सपोज करो सेंटेंस है, मेरी फ्रेंड और मैं, लिखो जरा, मेरी फ्रेंड और मैं शॉपिंग जा रहे हैं। मेरी फ्रेंड और मैं शॉपिंग के लिए जा रहे हैं।
my friend and I go to shopping.
My friend and
I
Myself.
myself.
And me and my
I and my
Me and
me and my friend
me and my friend
are
going to shopping.
going for shopping.
me, my friend.
friend are friends
देखो,
are
अब सुनो सुनो, यहाँ पर हम सबसे ज्यादा मिस्टेक करते हैं। हम यहाँ पर अब क्या बोला? मैं और मेरी फ्रेंड, या मेरी फ्रेंड और मैं। यहाँ पर डूअर कौन है? हु इज द डूअर? मैं और मेरी फ्रेंड। मैं और मेरी फ्रेंड, डूअर कौन है? जो उस काम को कर रहा है। कौन शॉपिंग पे जा रहा है? हु आर गोइंग
Both.
फॉर
My
शॉपिंग?
friend.
मैं और मेरी फ्रेंड, मैं और मेरी फ्रेंड। सो ये दोनों क्या बन गए? आपके सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउंस बन गए। ये दोनों क्या है? आपके सब्जेक्ट हैं। तो अगर सब्जेक्ट है, सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन आप मी यूज करोगे या आई यूज करोगे?
I.
ना मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम क्या यूज करते हैं?
Me.
हम बोलते हैं मी एंड माई फ्रेंड आर गोइंग।
I and my friend.
हाँ, बट दिस इज रॉन्ग। हम क्या बोलेंगे? माई फ्रेंड एंड आई।
And I.
अब आई के बाद क्या लगाएंगे?
R.
आर लगाएंगे। लेकिन आई के बाद हमेशा क्या लगता है? वैसे एम लगता है।
M लगता
यहाँ
है।
पर डबल सब्जेक्ट हो गया, माई फ्रेंड एंड आई डबल सब्जेक्ट हो गया, इसलिए हम आर पुट करेंगे। सो करेक्ट सेंटेंस होगा माई फ्रेंड एंड आई आर
Are going.
Going.
Clear? Never ever say my friend and me are going for shopping. This is absolutely wrong. Grammatically, it is wrong sentence. ठीक है? मेरी मम्मी ने मेरे लिए और मेरे भाई के लिए कुकीज बनाई। मेरी मम्मी ने मेरे लिए और मेरे भाई के लिए कुकीज बनाई।
My mother made cookies for me and my brother.
Very good. My mother has made cookies for me. अब यहाँ पर for I नहीं आएगा, क्योंकि अब who is the
Object है।
doer? हाँ, क्योंकि
Object
doer
है।
कौन है? Who is the doer? My mother.
My mother.
अब यहाँ पर मैं और मेरे भाई, ये हम क्या बन गए? We become
Object.
object. तो जब ऑब्जेक्ट के लिए आपको मेरे लिए की इंग्लिश क्या बनाओगे आप? मी।
My.
हाँ,
Me.
तो मी
मैम
बनाओ।
एक बार फिर से सेंटेंस बताइए ना।
Madam, not getting, madam.
मैम प्लीज रिपीट दिस सेंटेंस।
I am confusing.
अच्छा,
मैम
more
प्लीज
time.
रिपीट दिस सेंटेंस।
मेरी मम्मी ने मेरे लिए और मेरे भाई के लिए कुकीज बनाई। ठीक है? मेरी मम्मी ने मेरे लिए और मेरे भाई के लिए कुकीज बनाए। अब यहाँ पर डूअर कौन है? हु इज द डूअर इन दिस सेंटेंस?
मेरी मम्मी।
मदर। मदर। And what comes in the place of object? Object की जगह क्या आ रहा है? मैं और मेरा भाई, मैं और मेरा भाई। मैं की इंग्लिश क्या होती है? What is the English translation of मैं? I, I, I. लेकिन यहाँ पर I क्यों नहीं यूज करेंगे? Because it comes in the place of an object. ऑब्जेक्ट की जगह आपका मैं आ रहा है तो उसकी इंग्लिश आप क्या बनाएंगे? मी। My mother has made cookies for me and for my brother. You cannot say my mother has made cookies for I. This is wrong. Subject की जगह pronoun use हो रहा है, so you have to use I. Object की जगह pronoun use हो रहा है, so you have to use me. Just make one sentence of subject pronoun. जरा बनाओ एक बारी, just try. Subject pronoun. I को use करो, he को use करो. I'm just showing you the chart. Okay, chalo, one by one I will ask. Sampi, you just
Yes.
make the subject pronoun as you.
As you. You and me.
नहीं, बस you
both.
को आपको use करना है. You को कैसे use करोगे as a pronoun? Subject pronoun.
You are a good boy.
You are a good boy. Very good, very good. Sabita, now you have to use object pronoun as you.
Object pronoun.
Object pronoun use करना है you का.
Okay. Hmm. I am making food for you.
Very nice. Excellent. I am making food for you. Very nice, Sabita. Excellent. Shushil, now you have
Yes,
to
yes.
use her as an object pronoun.
I take a cake for him.
I take
A cake for him.
for him. Very nice. I take a cake for him. Very nice. Biswajita, you have to use we as a subject pronoun. Subject pronoun. Subject pronoun matlab you have to start that sentence with we.
We are going to Cuttack.
Yes, we are going to Qatar. Very nice. We are going to Qatar. Very good. Yes. Anil, you have to use them. Them को कैसे use करोगे? And Anuradha, you have to use us. ठीक है, अपना एक बार बनाओ. First complete with Anil.
They invited us.
They invited us. Very nice. Anil? Anil, इसी सेशन में बनाना है.
We should help to them.
We should help to them. We should help to them. Very nice. Very nice. Anil, one more sentence. जल्दी से बनाओ. Them को कैसे use करोगे? भाई them को सबसे बाद ले आओ ना. सबसे बाद में ले आओ. देखो कैसे बना सकते हो. अच्छा चलो ये बनाओ. हम उनके साथ मूवी देखने जाएंगे.
By both of them.
हाँ?
By both of them.
By both of them?
We will
So
go
something we have to buy now.
watching
So I'm
movie
saying
with them.
buy both of them. Like
अच्छा, we
sentence.
should buy both of them. Okay, we should buy both of them. We
Yes.
should buy
Yes,
both.
yes. Like that.
Okay. तो यहाँ तक clear. Subject pronoun means in the place of the subject. Object pronoun means in the place of a object. In the place of the object. So this is a chart. You just go through with that. Now what are the possessive adjectives? This is very important. Possessive adjectives जो हैं वो noun की तरह, वो pronoun की तरह लगते हैं. लेकिन possessive adjective means when we are talking about the belongingness. When we talking about the belongingness, and possessive adjectives always comes before the noun. Possessive adjectives always comes before the nouns and it talks about the belongingness. My hair, his sister. अब यहाँ पर my देख के क्या कहते होंगे? My देख के आप क्या कह सकते हो कि क्या है ये my या you?
Mine.
हाँ, यहाँ पर आप my या his देखकर आप बोल सकते हैं अरे his है, तो ये प्रोनाउन बोल दोगे आप, बट इट इज नॉट अ प्रोनाउन. his के बाद अगर एक noun आ रहा है, if after his the noun is coming, so it becomes a possessive adjective. I love my sister. I love my sister. What is the pronoun? Reena, what are the pronouns in this sentence?
Yes, ma'am. I love.
My sister.
I.
Only I?
Yes,
My.
pronoun. I is only pronoun, and my sister. There is a possessive adjective. My sister. In my sister, my is possessive adjective.
Okay.
And
Okay. Anyone who is thinking apart from
my sister, yes, I is the only pronoun in the
okay.
sentence.
Anyone who is thinking?
Right, ma'am.
I-
I pronoun and my sister is possessive adjective, right, ma'am?
My sister possessive adjective नहीं है समीर, सिर्फ my possessive adjective.
Yeah. My.
Sister क्या है? What is sister?
Sister is noun.
Sister is
Noun, ma'am. Sister is noun.
Sister is a noun. Her bag, its teeth, your home. Your home is beautiful. Priyamda, your home is beautiful. What is the pronoun in this sentence?
Beautiful.
Beautiful is a pronoun.
Adjective.
Adjective.
Adjective, ma'am.
House. House is beautiful.
Your house is beautiful. Dheeraj, what is a pronoun? What is a pronoun?
House.
Your house is a
Your house is beautiful.
Your ma'am.
Your, ma'am.
your.
Only your, yes, Priyamda. Only your is a pronoun. Oh, sorry, adjective. There is no pronoun in this sentence. Your is an adjective because here we are talking about the belongingness. Kiska ghar? Your ghar. So your is an adjective. Her hair is long, but my hair is short. तो यहाँ पर my क्या है? My is a
Possessive
possessive adjective.
Possessive
अगर
adjective.
suppose करो मेरे को possessive adjective use
Possessive
नहीं
adjective.
करना. I don't want to use the possessive adjective. I want to use the pronoun. तो इसी sentence को हम कैसे restructure कर सकते हैं? Her hair is long, but mine is short. Mine is short. तो mine क्या है? What is mine? Mine
Pronoun.
is a pronoun.
Pronoun.
Mine is a pronoun. His coat is gray. Yours is brown. Yours is brown. What is yours?
Pronoun.
Possessive adjective.
Yours is
Pronoun.
Possessive.
नहीं. Possessive adjective क्यों
Possessive
नहीं
adjective.
होता? Possessive
Okay.
adjective होता, देखो listen. Possessive adjective कैसे बनता? His coat is gray. Your coat is brown.
Right, ma'am.
Your coat is brown. क्योंकि
Brown.
your के बाद अगर आपको if you want to use a possessive adjective, you have to put the noun after that. This is a
Correct.
this is
Correct.
अब यहाँ पर yours के बाद तो कोई नहीं, कुछ नहीं लगा हुआ ना यहाँ पर
No.
हुआ ना, so it becomes a pronoun.
Pronoun.
तो ये देख लेना एक बारी. Possessive adjective. My shirt is green. My shirt is green. Possessive pronoun क्या बन गया? This shirt is mine. Your book is new. This book is yours. So I will share this PDF. So you just go through with that. Now, इसको भी हम यहीं एंड करते हैं. Nouns and pronouns बहुत है अभी. पहले इन दो concepts को समझो. ठीक है? Then I will start later on in the next class. We will start adjectives and adverbs. Adjectives and adverbs. ठीक है? In the next class, I also start सबसे पहले what I'm just stopping